Oh, forever friends. So, do you ever wonder what's in the inside of your body? Well, first, when you're born, it's all fresh and new, like this water, these cups of water. But then, as you get older, or you start putting bad stuff, like ice cream, cookies, potato chips, and other junk food. And it starts to look like something like this. So, do you want our body like this? Or nice and fresh? Because after a while, when your body's all dirty from the inside, you start getting chubby, lazy, sick a lot. But don't worry, there's hope. With Forever Herb Juice. You drink this daily. You drink this daily. And then, after a while, pretty soon, your body starts to become fresh and clean again. See? See how it's clean again? So, remember people and kids, Forever Herb Juice, drink it daily and keep a healthy body. Live happy.